And in this palmar surface, we have seen these 2 points on the line D, and these 2 points has been considered as a point, the name with the good inflammation, and they are very good for the liver disorders, as we discussed. So now we are looking few more points in this finger. So the number of these 2 points are 11.20. After that, now we will see next point, that will be 11.21. Then we'll see the next point, that will be 11.22. These all points are available in the ring finger. So now let's proceed for the next point, that is 11.21. So we can do the zigzag movement in the ring finger, means from here we are going this side, then from here we are coming this side. Means this will be the 11.20, this side will be the 11.21, and this side will be the 11.22. So we are doing the zigzag movement. So let's see first 11.21 point. So in this lower part, or in the lower phalanges, in the line B, we are talking about the line B, because we know this will be the line B. So in the line B, we are having this point 11.21. So I am drawing the line B here. This line will be just adjacent to the bone. And if we divide this line in 3 equal parts, so if we divide this line in 3 equal parts, then 1, 2, and 3 in this way. So this will be the point, the uppermost point only we are having this will be the point. The name of this point is 11.21. This point is very effective, very good. Why? This point is working like a steroid in our body. This point giving us the power like a horse in our body. This point lifting the overall chi in our body. This point increasing the energy in our body. This point increasing the vital energy in our body. So if someone is suffering with the chi deficiency, because of that he is feeling too much tiredness, and when chi deficiency is there, like we have seen the lung chi deficiency, if someone is suffering with the lung chi deficiency, so lung is controlling the sweat. In the case of lung chi deficiency, lung is unable to control the sweat. and person is getting lots of sweating. So this is the diagnosis. If someone is having lots of sweating throughout the day, it means it is a sign of lung qi deficiency. So if you see someone that he is very tired, sweating a lot, qi deficiency is there, and we want to increase the overall energies. So we can use this point. This point increasing the vital energy, overall energies like a steroid. In our body, we are having one point. That point has been considered as a steroid point. The name of that point is stomach 36, and it has been considered if you do moxivation or heat treatment on the stomach 36, it is increasing the vital energy, enthusiasm, it is increasing the energies like steroids. So the whatever action we are doing with the help of stomach 36, same action can be done with the help of 11.21 point. So this is a very effective point which we can use for any patient which is suffering with lung qi deficiency. Yesterday I was discussing with one of the patients who got some lung problem, and after that who got cough and cold, some hindrance in the throat region, means attacks of the wind. Because of that, he was suffering with the lungs problem. Then he told me that I am having too much sweating from 3 days. So it's so when someone attacking, like some wind is attacking, wind cold is attacking, not wind cold, wind heat is attacking. So there is an attack of wind, there is an attack of wind heat or some attack. And this attack are bringing the lung energy down. So lung is unable to control the sweat. So person is getting lots of sweating and he is getting too much tired. So what I want to tell you, either someone is having lung qi deficiency, spleen or kidney qi deficiency, heart or pericardium deficiency, any qi deficiency, the one sign will be common, that is tiredness, weakness. So we can use this point 11.21 point, which is available in the ring finger. We can see here, and this point increasing the vital energies very beautifully. This point increasing the circulation all around, so we are feeling good. And only 0.2 chun needle insertion is enough. 0.2 chun means just 2 fan. So this point has been explained with the name of 11.21. So 11.21, there are many other names of also be found of this point, but this point has been given a normal name, that is 11.21, or in the other word we can tell this point is very good to increase the vitality or vitality point. So when you want to insert this needle, just imagine the ring finger, middle finger, go to the palmar surface, then coming to the lower phalange. So make a B line, divide this line in 3 parts, insert the needle here. So this is the 11.21. The person who doing traditional acupuncture practice, if don't want to put this point, so they can put stomach 36. And if someone don't want to put the point stomach 36, they can put this 11.21. The effect will be same. Even we can put both the point together to increase the vitality. So this is the completion of this point. So first we discuss these 2 points. These 2 points are good for liver 11.20. Then we have discussed this 11.21. This point is good for increasing the vital energy. The other name of this point is three eyes. Three eyes. The master tongue has been given name like that. Horses, flower, ancestor. This point has been given the name three eyes. So if you want to see the practical demonstration of this point, then look at this point, how we can insert this point here. So let's see. So look at my ring finger. Look at my ring finger. In the ring finger, we know this is the line A on this side. The center will be the line C, and in between, this is the line B. This line is just adjacent to the bone. So if we divide this line in three parts here, one, upper 1/3, middle 1/3, lower 1/3. So at the junction of upper and middle 1/3, we are having this point here. So let's see how can we put the point. So we can feel the border of the bone with the help of nails. And on the border of bone, we can make little depression and we can put the point here like that. So this is the 11.21 point. So this point is very much effective for increasing the energy in the body. The question is this, which hand is better? The answer is you can put this point in any hand, either in the right or in the left. Like we are putting the stomach 36 in the both leg, in the same way, this point also can be put in the both fingers. So let's proceed now. In the lower phalanges only, we are looking next point, that is 11.22. So on the one side, we are having this vital energy point. On the other side, on the line D, on the same line where we are having the liver point. So now we are coming down in the same line D and we are making 3 points at equal distance. These 3 points are 11.22. So let's see here in other image. So making the D line, this is the D line. In the D line, we are having on the upper side, we are having 11.20. Here we are having 11.21, and here we are having 3-point unit, that is called 11.22. So because we know this is the ring finger, the ring finger is connected with the triple Bormer meridian. And when we talk about the triple Bormer meridian, triple Bormer meridian connected with spleen as well as kidney, both. The timing of triple Bormer as per the organ clock is 9 to 11 p.m. in the night, and the timing of spleen is 9 to 11 a.m. in the night. So it is connected with the spleen. The triple Bormer belong to the Shaoyang family, which is having relationship with the Shaoyan family, means heart and kidney. So as per this relationship, triple Bormer connected with the kidney and heart is connected with the gallbladder. So we can see the relationship of triple Bormer with the kidney. So this is the relationship Shaoyan Shaoyang. So it means when you're doing some activity on the triple Bormer, this activity is influencing the spleen as well as in the as well as kidney. And we know if we divide whole body in three parts, upper part, this is the upper part, this is the middle part, this is the lower part. Upper part connected with the lungs, middle part connected with the spleen, lower part is connected with the kidney. And kidney, again, kidney means bones. So whenever someone is suffering with a swelling in the body, swelling happening in the lowermost part of the body because of the kidney and in the middle part of the body because of the spleen. So either swelling happening in the middle part or lower part, both swelling can be controlled by triple Bormer because triple Bormer is the controller of both. Because triple Bormer is connected with the kidney, so all the bone problems can be rectified with the help of triple Bormer. So triple Bormer can rectify the problem of the bones. Triple Bormer can rectify the problem of the swelling. So that's why this point in the ring finger, this point in the ring finger, these 3 points, 1, 2, 3, these points are very effective if there is a swelling around the bone. Or in the other word, we are telling bone swelling. So this point is very much effective for swelling in the bones or bone swelling. So if someone is suffering with the osteoarthritis, and we know sometime what is happening in the even someone is suffering with the osteoarthritis, sometimes Patient are getting little bit enlarged bone or spur in the bone. What is the meaning of spur? Suppose this is the heel, and we know sometime in the heel there is a little growth of the bone that is called calcaneal spur. Because of this spur, person is having heel pain. So this is coming under the bone growth. So if this bone growth may happen in the heel, this types of bone growth also may happen in other part of the body. We are telling that bone spur. So if there is any swelling in the joints, maybe it is because of the bone, maybe it is because of the water retention, whatever the cause. It will work on both condition. It will work on the bone because triple bormal is connected with the kidney. It will work because on the water retention because triple bormal connected with the kidney and spleen. They are the if we rectify the kidney and spleen, so we can remove the water retention from the body. So in this condition, this 11.22 point, the name of this point is bone swelling, which is very useful for spur, which is very useful for bone growth, unwanted bone growth, as well as this point is very effective for multiple conditions connected to the growth. Like someone is having osteoarthritis plus enlarged joint. Many times we see some person having, if you are seeing the wrist of many person, suppose this is some hand of someone, many times we see some unwanted growth of the bones here, bone growth. So if unwanted bone growth happening anywhere in the body, so we can apply, we can use this point, which is in the ring finger, the 3-point unit on the D line. .22. So finally, the 11.22 point can be used for enlargement of the bone, for spur. It can be used for swelling of bone or other types of swelling. So this is the completion of 11.22. So we have understood 3 points in the ring finger. These 2 points are good for liver. 11.20, we are telling them good inflammation. These points on the D line. Then this point is very good for enhancing the energy. They are working like stomach 36, which is vitality point. And these are the 3 points. These 3-point units are called 11.22 or bone swelling. These points are available only in the ring finger because ring finger is connected with the triple Bormer meridian. Because ring finger is connected to the triple Bormer meridian, And I told you triple borough meridian is connected with the spleen and kidney. So we are discussing only about the ring finger. We don't find this point in all the finger. No, we find these points only in the ring finger. Because in the small finger, we are not considering triple borough. In the index and middle finger also, we don't have triple borough meridian. The triple borough meridian found in the ring finger. That's why these points are working for the bone swelling. Because we have discussed in the 10 balance method, the triple borough meridian connect with the spleen as per the organ clock opposite time and kidney as per the Shao Yin Shao Yang relationship. So we are discussing about the swelling. So we should think about the spleen and kidney. So just why doing the treatment of the triple borough, we can do the treatment on the both at a time. So now let's proceed for the next point. Now we will finish few more points in the ring finger only so that we can understand everything very clearly, because right now we should keep in our mind that ring finger is connected with the triple borough meridian. And triple borough meridian is connected with the gallbladder meridian. Because triple borough and gallbladder both belong to the Shaoyang family. So now let's discuss the ring finger from the dorsal side. So now we are on the ring finger, but now in the dorsal side. The dorsal side has been considered as a yang side. So in the ring finger, we are having triple borough meridian, which is connected with the gallbladder meridian, because triple borough and gallbladder both belong to the same family, that is Shao Yang. So whenever anyone attacking on you, on our body, whenever there is some attack, we are telling attack of wind heat, attack of wind cold, attack of dampness, or attack of wind damp. So you can see, we see wind again and again as an attacker. For example, someone traveling in a train, sitting near the window, lots of air coming on the face, and this is very cold air, and suddenly he got the attack of cold wind, and because of that, he got facial paralysis. I, we are getting many patients, they are getting the facial paralysis during the traveling. Number two, one patient went to some spiritual place, got up early in the morning, and took bath under the cold water in spring, under the spring. As soon as cold water came on the face, he got facial paralysis. This patient is my student in the Maharashtra. So he's my student. He's appearing in the Maharashtra exam. So preparing for traditional acupuncture. So he got facial paralysis just while taking the bath under cold water in the spring. So when cold things combined with the wind, it can damage many things. The meaning of wind is gallbladder. So when you want to prevent the attack of gallbladder, if someone already got the wind attack, then now he suffered with the facial paralysis. Or still he is okay, not suffered with the facial paralysis. What? He is having too much migraine headache. Because sometimes we see because of wind attack, you were driving a bike or you were traveling in the air. So wind is attacking on you and you may suffer with the migraine headache. That is also gallbladder attack or wind attack, which has entered in your head region. So this may create the migraine or this may create the facial paralysis. It depends on your strength, on your constitution, that what will you get. If you are a strong person, then maybe just migraine. But you are already having some weakness inside the body, then may suffer with the facial paralysis. And if you are too much strong, then don't bother. You will not get anything. Even after wind attack, your body is so immune. If this wind attacking on the female body, so wherever gallbladder meridian is going, because this attack is coming because of the gallbladder. So wherever gallbladder meridian is going, it may affect that body part. So let's see the gallbladder meridian route. So we can see gallbladder meridian is all around the temple. So person may complain to you, I am having too much temple pain, too much migraine headache above the ear, on the side of head, or on the lateral side of the eye. This patient may complain to you, I am having too much shoulder muscles pain after the ear attack. These points are available on the side of breast. So if this patient is female, so female will complain that I'm feeling like my breast is has swollen, feeling of expansion and swollen breast because of that wind attack. The person may suffer with the pain in the ribs, on the side of ribs, or this may create the pain on the root of the gallbladder. We see the root of the gallbladder is going from the buttock region. Then this gallbladder meridian is traveling on the lateral side and going in the leg. But most of the time, the person is getting problem in this part or in the breast. So if someone was traveling and got the wind attack or took the cold water bath and got the wind attack or had eaten lots of sour food because sour food is connected with the wind, he may also get the wind attack and may get the facial paralysis. So our duty to release the wind. So how can we release the wind? So we can release the wind with the help of this point. So now we are having 3-point unit here in the ring finger. So we are drawing a line here on the side of bone. This is the H line. H line. Or we can think the side of the bones. And here these are the middle phalanges. In this middle phalanges, we will draw 3 points at equal distance. 1, 2, 3. So these 3 points has been considered as a very good point to expel the wind out. We can consider this point to puncture the brain so that air can come out. So we are puncturing the brain to let the air come out from the brain, from the head, so that the effect of the facial paralysis can be reduced, the effect of the wind can be reduced, wind can be expelled, migraine headache can be reduced. These 3-point units are very good for expelling the wind out. The name of these 3 points is 11.14, or Master Tung has been given the name finger 3 layers. This is the name of these parts. For 11.14, we know in the same location, if we go opposite side, so they are liver point. Let's see in the image, so we'll understand very clearly. The 11.14, so if we look at here in this image, this is the middle phalange. This will be the H line. In this H line, we are having 3.1, 2, 3. If in the same finger, if we see just opposite side, because we know these 3 points are on, we can see near the small finger, not near the middle finger. So if we turn the hand like this and draw and search in middle phalanges only, and instead of 3 points, we will just draw the 2 points. So these 2 points are good for liver, and opposite side point are good for gallbladder. This shows the beautiful relationship for yin and yang. So if someone is having the liver problem, we can treat on the palmar side, but someone has got the attack of wind, we can treat these 3 points. The 3 4 days ago, one lady came in my clinic and she told me she's my old patient. She told me that in my family we are having one patient who is suffering with corona disease, COVID-19. Since 2 days, she told me, since 2 days, I am also feeling some hindrance in my throat, too much pain in my back of the head. She told me I am having too much pain in this part. Or also I am having throat pain, little breathing problem, feeling little feverish since yesterday night, and now I am sure that today I am going to get a good fever. I'm having that feeling. So kindly do something and give me the treatment of COVID-19. I'm not sure that she was suffering or not with the COVID-19. Then I, whenever there is any attack in the body, either this is the COVID-19 attack or this is any attack in the body, it has been considered as a wind attack. Because in the acupuncture, we are not telling virus attack, we are telling wind attack. So I inserted multiple points of gallbladder on the first sitting. First, I inserted 11.14 point to expel the wind out. And also I put here gallbladder 20. And also Master Tung has given a very good point which we will learn in the future. The name of this point is gallbladder 31. Here, this point is gallbladder 31. This point has been considered as a very good point to expel the wind out. So I insert the gallbladder 31 bilateral. I inserted the gallbladder 20 bilateral and 11.14 point in the ring finger. Why only on the left side? So these 3 points only in the left side. Even I was little scared because nowadays we all are little scared with the name of COVID. And this all the things I did only to expel the wind out. Then I added one more point of the lung, that is LU9. This is the source point. Next day, she came symptomless, no symptom. Next day, she told, now I am okay, no problem at all. So what I think, there are many things we can do with acupuncture no one else can do in any medical system. Means our acupuncture is the best system in this era. Neither allopathy, no any system can complete the acupuncture system if we do the things very systematically, perfectly, and we learn the system very properly. Because see, there are explanation of everything we find in the acupuncture. Wind attack, then expel the wind from this point. Do we have something any in other therapy? I'm not talking about the Ayurveda. I'm talking about the modern medicines. We don't have anything. So that's why if some disease is spreading, it's spreading because we don't have anything. The treatment available in the modern medicine only on the basis of symptoms, not on the basis of diagnosis. But here we are having wonderful diagnosis, wonderful treatment. So these 3-point unit on the dorsal surface can expel the wind out. So these are 11.14 point. We can use this point to expel the wind out. We can use these points for the migraine headache, severe migraine headache. We can use this point for the facial paralytic attack. Paralytic attack. If you got sudden patient, then you can use this point. Headache because of wind. Not only, do not think that if there is a pain in the gallbladder root, then only we will use this point. If there is a headache because of wind attack anywhere, so we will use this point. Headache either side or back, anywhere, and swollen breast. Swollen breast. So migraine, headache anywhere, swollen breast, facial paralysis, the all condition, wind attack. If you want to prevent any wind attack, so always remember gallbladder. So 11.14 is the best point. Now we are going to discuss the very, very important point in the ring finger. So we ready for this point. Because most of the people, those who are studying a lot, doing lots of work, suffering with the problem which is connected with this upcoming point. So now, small finger, ring finger, middle finger, index finger, thumb. We are talking about the dorsal surface. So this is the nails. We were discussing the point in the middle phalange. Now, in the same finger, in the same line, we are discussing the point, but in the lower phalange, and there are 3 points here. Like we have seen the 3 point here, these 3 points are very good for the wind or for the gallbladder attack. So now we are talking about the 3 point here on the dorsal side. So the number of these points is 11.15. The name of these points are finger, kidney. The name of these points are finger, kidney. Because kidney is very deeply connected with the triple bomber, and the lower part is again connected with the kidney, middle part connected with the spleen, upper part connected with the lungs. So as per the imagination also, the lower part is very deeply connected with the kidney. So when we are suffering with some problem of the kidney, so for rectifying the problem of the kidney, we are using these 3 points, which is called finger kidney. Let's see what is the problem of kidney. The kidney belong to the family. The name of that family is Shaoyin. In the Shaoyin, we are having heart and kidney both. So this 11.15 point is very useful if there is a poor heart or there is a poor kidney. So we are having this much kidney heat, or we are telling kidney yang, and we are having this much kidney yin. When both are equal, then we are telling we are in the balanced condition. So when we are working, we are using kidney yang, but when we are taking relaxation, so it is because of the kidney yin. So kidney yin is a air condition of our body, and kidney yang is connected with the heat. So when both are equal and good, then it's okay. But what happens if you are doing a lots of work but not taking proper relaxation? So day by day, your yin is becoming poor. So after few days, this condition will happen. You will suffer with the kidney yin deficiency. Most of the students who are preparing competitive exams, doing labor day and night, doing mental labor day and night, and they are consuming their kidney yin. So comparatively, we can see the yang is high. So this is the called kidney yin deficiency. Most of the students are suffering because they are not taking proper rest. Second, the doctors and the other person who are also studying a lot, because the life of doctor is like a student. All the life doctor is a student, or other professionals like CA, they are studying a lot, or advocate, they are studying a lot. So the person who is continuously studying, consuming their kidney energies, they may suffer with the kidney deficiency. So they may suffer with the cooling deficiency. So if they suffer with the kidney deficiency, and kidney and heart both belong to the same family, so they will also suffer with the heart deficiency. So what will be the sign if we see the person like this? They will tell, because we know day is the time of yang, night is the time of yin, night is cool. So when we are going in the night, we are cool, we are sleeping. But this types of person who is having yin deficiency, in the night also they are not cool. They are still hot comparatively. So body is creating lots of sweat, thirst in the night. So if someone is coming to you with the complaint of number one, I am having thirst, especially in the night. I am having sweating, especially in the night. I feel hot eyes, hot ear, something hot, 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 especially during the evening or night. I feel feverish, especially in the evening or night. Because kidney is deficient, so I feel back pain. So back pain because of the deficiency of kidney. And also Then there may be many conditions which is connected with the kidney yin deficiency as well as heart weakness. So when we want to make the kidney yin again normal, so just we can put this point. This point on the dorsal surface, 11.15, 3-point unit has been considered as a point of finger kidney. So if you know, in our body we are having very good muscles. The name of that muscle is latissimus dorsi. I will show you the image. So you can see here, this is the muscle. The name of this muscle is latissimus dorsi. In the other image also you can see. You can see this is the latissimus dorsi. So when someone is suffering with a pain in the latissimus dorsi, which is a very big muscle, so the if we would be the words, then this latissimus dorsi will be our feather, would be our feather. So this is covering our whole middle and lower back. So if someone is suffering with the pain in the latissimus dorsi, this is because of the hyperfunctioning of the kidney and heart. So we are using this point. So this point finally, the 11.14. So in the ring finger, in the lowermost joint, this 3-point unit 11.15 or finger kidney we are using for number 1, back pain, number 2, for making kidney strong, number 3, sweating, thirst, feverish, feeling hot, especially in the night. Number 4, pain in the latissimus dorsi. Most of the students, doctor, lawyer, who do lots of, who are doing lots of study and efforts and consuming their energies, feeling hot in the eyes. So we are using this. And if someone is having more, we can tell, more dreams of erection or nightfall, semen discharge, nightfall, or we can tell if someone is having lots of thoughts and emotions of the sexual things, this may also happen because of the kidney deficiency. So rectify this, we are using this part. Let's see how to insert the needle. So this is the F line. So we will search the border of nail, border of bone, and we will put the needle. So look at this. We have to insert 3 needle at equal distance. Understood? Great. On the border of bone. So this is the finger kidney point, or 11.15. Very good for the kidney. Okay, fine. So enough for today. Now see you tomorrow. Okay, bye bye.